Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be telling you how to install a screensaver. So how does this work? Just take a look at my screen. This is how it works. Oh, it's Minecraft. Just in the address bar above, you need to search savers. Some screensavers. So now screensaver.com. Yes, we have that. So which screensaver should we use? Let's take Deep Space 3D screensavers. So it is going to be a .scr file. Let's try this. Okay, did anything happen? Hello? Wait, I think this site is not secure. Wait, it's not secure. Bad. Then why is my browser open? Well, let's search Minecraft Plus. There might be a screensaver over there. Minecraft Plus. Okay, so this is actually a Minecraft screensaver, just like they had in the 90s. So just click download for desktop. It's a screensaver. Just don't ask me that the video title has changed. Okay. No, don't delete this. I basically use permanently delete in case of something happens. Extract here, smart folder. It should be a smart folder. Wait, not folder. So you will find Minecraft plus.scr. So right click on this Minecraft plus.scr and a screensaver file, then click install. When you click install, it is going to be, the screensaver will be activated. So let me show you a preview. I never tried Minecraft Plus. I'm trying this for the first time. Yes. Oh my god. Yeah, voila. This is a screensaver. So, yes. So that's how you install a screensaver. And also subscribe to my channel. Leave a bell icon. Share this video to everyone. Comment below that yeah, I love this video. Plus what? Plus like, share, subscribe. Click the bell icon. That's it. Thank you. Bye.